Imagine being able to change your IP address every 3 seconds, making it nearly impossible for anyone to track your real location. Sounds like something out of a spy movie, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this on Kali Linux using the Tor network, 100% anonymously. If you value privacy, security, and anonymity, then this video is for you. Stick around till the end, and I'll reveal an advanced pro tip to make your connection even more untraceable. Let's dive in. First things first, we need to install Tor on our Kali Linux system. Tor is a network that encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through multiple nodes, hiding your true IP address. Open your terminal and type sudo apt install tor y. Hit enter and wait for the installation to complete. Now, let's start the Tor service. Type sudo systemctl start Tor. To confirm that Tor is running, type sudo systemctl status Tor. If everything is working, you should see active, exited. Next, we'll install Tornet, a Python-based tool that lets us automatically change our IP address at set intervals. First, make sure pip, Python's package manager, is installed. Type sudo apt install python 3 pip y. Now, install Tornet. Type sudo pip install Tornet. To make sure all your browsing traffic goes through the Tor network, we need to tweak some browser settings. Open Firefox. Click the menu. Go to Settings. Click Network Settings. Select Manual Proxy Configuration. Under SOCKS host, type 127.0.0.1. And in the port field, type 9050. Scroll down and check the box for Proxy DNS when using SOCKS v5 to prevent DNS leaks. Click OK to save your settings. Now, your browser is configured to route traffic through the Tor network. Now, here's where the real magic happens. Go back to your terminal and type sudo tornet interval 3 count 0. Interval 3 sets your IP to change every 3 seconds. Count 0 keeps the process running non-stop. And boom! Your IP now changes every 3 seconds, making it almost impossible for trackers to keep up. To confirm this, open your browser and visit check.torproject.org. If it says, "Congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor," then you're officially anonymous. For even more confirmation, go to dnsleaktest.com to see if your real IP is hidden. Then click Extended Test. And that's it. You're now completely anonymous, and your IP changes every 3 seconds. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button to boost the algorithm.